Marhaba, it's Amir speaking. In this lesson, we will learn how to say in Arabic language, be responsible for, with different examples. So, let's start the lesson. Be responsible for. Be responsible for means be in charge of. In Arabic, we can express its meaning with مسؤول عن, مسؤول عن, and مسؤولة عن, مسؤولة عن. So the first one, I mean مسؤول عن, it's used for male, and مسؤولة عن, it's used for female. And now I'm going to give you some examples so that the lesson could be clear and easy for you, and you can understand well. So watch and listen carefully till the end. Alright, before giving the other examples, let me tell you how to say I'm responsible in Arabic. Because when you will understand this one, you will understand all the other examples easily. So, I'm responsible. I'm responsible. I means ana. I means ana, and am responsible means mas'ulun and mas'ulatun. So we will use in Arabic ana mas'ulun for male and ana mas'ulatun for female. I mean, if the speaker is male, then he will say ana mas'ulun, ana mas'ulun, ana mas'ulun. And if the speaker is female, then she will say ana mas'ulatun, ana mas'ulatun. Hope you got it. And now I'll add some other words with this one, and those are for protecting her. I'm responsible for protecting her. So I'm responsible, ana mas'ulun, or ana mas'ulatun. And now we'll translate for protecting her in Arabic language. Alright, what does for means here? Can you guess? What does for means here? Yes, for means an. Here, for means an. And I have already said responsible for means mas'ulun an or mas'ulatun an. So already we have used mas'ulun in this sentence, and now we'll say an. Ana mas'ulun an or ana mas'ulatun an. Protecting her, himayatiha. Himayatiha. Himaya, it's a masdar. Hama yahmi himayatan means to protect. To protect. For protecting her means عن حمايتها. عن حمايتها. أنا مسؤول عن حمايتها. Or أنا مسؤولة عن حمايتها. I'm responsible for protecting her means أنا مسؤول عن حمايتها. Or أنا مسؤولة عن حمايتها. And the next example is you are responsible for what you do. You are responsible. You are responsible means أنت مسؤول. You are responsible. أنت مسؤول for male, and أنت مسؤولة for female. You are responsible. أنت مسؤول or أنت مسؤولة for what you do. عما تفعل. عما تفعل. It's for male. And عما تفعلين. عما تفعلين. It's for female. You are responsible for what you do means أنت مسؤول عما تفعل or أنت مسؤولة عما تفعلين. Maybe you are thinking why I have used عما instead of عن, because I had said earlier that we use عن with مسؤول. Responsible for means مسؤول عن or مسؤولة عن, but I have used here عما. What is عما? Can you guess? Yes, عما is actually a combination of عن and ما. عما. عن plus ما is equal to عما. When you use عن and ما together, we use it as عما. And now it is clear and obvious for all of you that what is عما. Hope you understood well. And the next example is, you aren't responsible for that mess. You aren't responsible. You are not responsible. And you have already learned how to say in Arabic, you are responsible. But here we'll translate, you are not responsible. So, to say you are not responsible in Arabic, we'll add laysa. For not, we'll add laysa. But according to the pronouns, like for anta, we'll use lasta. And for anti, we will use lasti. So you aren't responsible means anta lasta mas'ulan. Anta lasta mas'ulan. And anti lasti mas'ulatan. Anti lasti mas'ulatan. And now you can see I have used mas'ulan and mas'ulatan instead of mas'ulun and mas'ulatun. Why I have used like this? I've used like this because mas'ulan and mas'ulatan are khabar of laysa in this sentence, and khabar of laysa always becomes mansoob. That's why lasta mas'ulan and lasti mas'ulatan. You aren't responsible, anta lasta mas'ulan and anti lasti mas'ulatan. For that mess, an tilkal fawda. An tilkal fawda. And now you might be thinking why I used tilka with fawda instead of dhalika with fawda. So the answer is simple. I have used tilka with fawda because fawda, this word is used in Arabic as a feminine word, not a masculine word. So you aren't responsible for that mess means anta lasta mas'ulan an tilkal fawda. Anta lasta mas'ulan an tilkal fawda. Or أنت لست مسؤولة عن تلك الفوضى. أنت لست مسؤولة عن تلك الفوضى. And the next example is, we are responsible for your protection from now on. We are responsible. نحن مسؤولون. نحن مسؤولون for your protection. عن حمايتك. عن حمايتك. عن حمايتك and عن حمايتك. نحن مسؤولون عن حمايتك. From now on, من الآن فصاعدا. من الآن فصاعدا. We are responsible for your protection from now on. نحن مسؤولون عن حمايتك من الآن فصاعدا. Or نحن مسؤولون عن حمايتك من الآن فصاعدا. And we can translate this sentence in other words also. حمايتك هي مسؤولياتنا من الآن فصاعدا. حمايتك هي مسؤولياتنا من الآن فصاعدا. And the last example is, you should be responsible for your actions. You should be. ينبغي أن تكون. ينبغي أن تكون. Or ينبغي أن تكوني. ينبغي أن تكوني. Responsible for your actions. مسؤولا عن أفعالك. مسؤولا عن أفعالك. Or مسؤولة عن أفعالك. مسؤولة عن أفعالك. You should be responsible for your actions. ينبغي أن تكون مسؤولا عن أفعالك. Or ينبغي أن تكوني مسؤولة عن أفعالك. And now the exercise time. The doctor is responsible for his patient. He is responsible for the whole group. Do the exercise and leave your translations in the comment box below. And that's all today. If you like the lesson, please tap the like button and share with your friends and colleagues. Thank you.